Father's tractors collection from 1980 till now.
The first tractor bought by Grandpa in our district is Massey Ferguson 35X later 70s. Later on my dad bought a Massey 135 good running tractor.
And I think in 1982 probably my dad bought a brand new 165 tractor England assembled.
In 1987 my dad bought a big beast Ursus C 385 from Karachi Dry Port. It's a 4-cylinder 90 HP tractor with 5 ton of weights.
It's a David Brown 990 tractor. It's also an England imported tractors. My dad bought it from Lahore Misri Shah. Then we bought a HMT 5911 Zetor tractor 60 horsepower. This beast is very popular in our area. There are many more interesting stories about this tractor. I will tell you another day. The tractor Zetor that we bought in 90s. My dad replaced her engine with Deutz 4-cylinder engine. It's a Fiat 240 horsepower tractor. My dad bought an engine of Fiat V6 and fit a Jhondhere loader back and made a big bud tractor. And in probably 2003 my dad bought a Jhondhere loader tractor from Lahore Misri Shah. And made many alterations to her. Then in 2003 we bought a England imported MF 188 tractor. And I swear it's actually a beast. After that we bought a Ford 4000 imported from Italy in 2004. It's also a good running tractor. In 2005 we bought a Ford 3000 from Gujranwala that is also imported from England. It's also still in our village's farm. There in 2007 we imported a tractor from Italy that's a Massey Ferguson 1080, 85 horsepower tractor. And that's beast also still in ours village farm. Then we bought a Massey Ferguson 590 tractor in 2011. It's literally a fucking beast. About 2.5 years ago we'd sold her. Then we bought a red beast MF 595 that later on turned it on black. It's currently on our farm. And this one is we bought from Alipur Chita district in 2016. And in 2016 we rebuilt a Ford 4000 that is imported tractor bought it from Gujranwala.
In 2016 we bought a Pakistani Millat tractor 385 Skeen green tractor. In 2017 we bought Bealarus 510 tractor from our village. And after 7 to 8 months we sold her in Dera Ghazi Khan.
Later on we rebuilt a Massey Ferguson 595 tractor. It's currently on our farm. It's a 1977 model tractor.
Last year we rebuilt a Ford 6600 tractor with 240 HP engine. It's also fucking beast. It's also in our farm currently. Currently we rebuilding a MF 595 tractor with Jhondhere shovel backend. And I think it's probably Paxton's biggest tractor.